Water, main constituents of Earth's hydrosphere. The hydrosphere includes all water. It includes water in the oceans, lakes, rivers, wetlands, polar ice caps, soil, rock layers beneath Earth's surface, and clouds. 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. 97.2% of water on Earth is found in the oceans. It leaves only 2.8% of the Earth's water as fresh water. Only 0.8% of it is drinkable.
Freshwater distribution. 2.8% of fresh water is divided into glacier and ice cap. 2.15% groundwater. 0.62% surface water. 0.03%.
Surface water distribution. 0.03% of surface water is divided into lakes, 0.017%, soil, 0.005%, atmosphere, 0.001%. It refers to water vapor in the air, streams, 0.0001%.
Importance of water. It is vital for all life forms. Agriculture purposes. Industrial purposes. Used for day-to-day activities including domestic usage. Generation of hydroelectricity, transportation and sanitization and hygiene purposes.
Consumption of water, electricity 28.1%, fish farming 10.3%, other industry 11.8%, private water supply 0.3%, public water supply 48.4%, agriculture and spray irrigation 0.8%.
Water exploitation. Exploitation of water refers to the misuse of water leading to depletion of water resources. Overexploitation can lead to resources destruction, including extinction of various species. It describes one of the main activities threatening global biodiversity.
Effects, reasons, economic development, rapid industrial growth and population. The use of groundwater rates, which are higher than that of recharge, ultimately leads to water scarcity, waterlogging, soil salinity, alkalization, water pollution or contamination.
Causes: decrease in flow of streams and rivers, wetland surface reduction, water logging, migration of people, water level goes lower, wells go dry, heavy pumping on broad scale can deplete whole aquifer, increase in salinity of water, subsidence or settling of surfaces.
Overexploitation and mismanagement of water resources can be controlled through conservation and management of the resources. Conservation can control the ecological crisis that may arise due to scarcity and prevent the degradation of our natural ecosystem.
Following are the measures: spread awareness among general public, making groundwater harvesting mandatory, proper check that all taps are free from leakages, wash your car with a nozzle on the hose, take shortest shower, turn the dishwasher for only full load, use buckets while taking bath.
Measures taken by the Indian government. 28 states have made rainwater harvesting mandatory by enhancing laws or by formulating rules and regulations. Creation of a new Ministry of Jal Shakti for dealing with all matters relating to water at one place in an integrated manner. The Natural Water Policy of 2012 has been formulated by Department to reduce the dilution of water.
Project planning and implementation, enhancing water available for use, water framework laws. Under this, water should be sustained for life and ecology as a community resource held by the state under public trust.
Water is precious, let us save it. Water is an essential part of all life on the earth. Flora and fauna would not live without water. It ensures food security, livestock security, maintain organic life, industrial production, and to conserve the biodiversity and the environment.
Groundwater resources can help to meet demand, but too much of it is being withdrawn and some of it is being polluted. It is important to better control the use of underground water that will not be replenished.
Save Water is an initiative to promote water conservation among people in order to maintain the presence of clean water on the earth in future. Clean water scarcity has become one of the big problems in India and other countries all over the world, affecting people's life in many ways.
If we don't save water in the near future, then the growing number of people will struggle to find fresh drinking water. This will ultimately lead to the destruction of the earth.
We would like to thank our respected principal ma'am and teachers for their support. This would not be possible without their cooperation.